Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 10 best side hustle for extra money. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. I'm a big believer in working extra hours to supplement your income, and I believe that everybody should have a side hustle. Side hustling will help you raise the extra cash you need to meet your financial goals quicker, whether it's paying off student loans or putting money aside for retirement. However, there are numerous side hustle opportunities. Here's a list of 50+ side hustle opportunities. My aim for today is to show you the best side hustles you can start, as well as why you should do them. The best side hustles, according to us. Here is a rundown of the best side hustles you should start doing right now to start making more money. Number 1. Deliver food and groceries. Food and grocery delivery follows closely behind ride-sharing. This has become one of the hottest trends in the nation, as well as one of the best side hustles. This is a perfect way to make extra money on your own terms, if you don't like having strangers in your car. The only drawbacks are that you can't do it all of the time. Restaurants don't normally open at 2 a.m., and you could make less money than you would with conventional ride-sharing. However, it's always a fantastic way to supplement your income. How to begin? Instacart assist with grocery delivery and shopping with others. Postmates is a service that delivers food and other items to customers. Uber Eats, the first food delivery service, also has one of the most extensive menus. DoorDash, currently the fastest website, with several cities on the way. Here's a link to a DoorDash analysis. Potential earnings, $600 a month. Timetable, 8/10. Potential for growth, 3/10. Number 2. Ride sharing. Yes, everybody discusses ride sharing. Some people adore it, and others hate it. It is, however, our top choice for the best side hustle, because it is one of the few jobs that you can do at any time and from any place. Do you want to make some extra cash at 2 a.m.? Do you think you've got it? You don't want to stick to a schedule? That's all right. Ride-sharing allows you to work when and how you want. It's one of the few side hustles that can be done at any time and from anywhere. How to begin? Uber is the world's first and largest ride-sharing service. Lyft, see if there are any specials for new drivers on Lyft. Monthly income potential, $1,000. Timetable, 10 out of 10. Potential for growth, 3/10. Number 3. Start a blog. This is my favorite side hustle, and the reason I started this blog, but it isn't an income-generating opportunity right away. It takes time to start and develop a blog, but I believe you can earn at least $1,000 per month, after 12 months if you do it regularly, e.g. 3x per week. It does, however, begin slowly and requires a significant amount of effort. A blog, on the other hand, has virtually infinite growth potential. So, if you're looking for a long-term side hustle, look no further. How to begin? Bluehost, for just $2.95 per month, you can start your own blog on Bluehost. Learn how to start a personal blog or website by reading this article. Take this course to increase your blogging income. This course will help you become a pro blogger, full-time blogger with a 12-month commitment. You could earn $1,000 per month. Timetable, 10 out of 10. Potential for growth, 10 out of 10. Number 4. Tutoring. You can get paid to mentor kids online if you're a teacher or someone with a college degree. Teaching English as a second language to children in other countries is one of the hottest rising areas of demand right now. Time zone variations are one of the advantages of this. Since our nighttime in the United States is usually the daytime in other countries, this is the ideal side hustle if you want to work from home, on your phone, at night. You must be a teacher or have a bachelor's degree to work for these businesses. You should also be comfortable teaching through webcam at home, which means you'll need good lighting, a good camera, and a microphone, as well as some technical computer skills. Remember that you can tutor any subject by finding students in your area offline. How to begin? VIP Kid is the original and largest online ESL teaching site. GoGoKid is a new website that is rapidly expanding and recruiting teachers. Monthly income potential, $400. Timetable, 4/10. Potential for growth, 4/10. Number 5. Online freelancing. There are a plethora of ways to make money freelancing online. You can make money freelancing online if you can read, write, program, make videos, or are willing to learn a variety of skills. You might also do bookkeeping for other companies from the comfort of your own home. Online transcription work, think about all the podcasts that need thins, online virtual assistant services, and even online social media management are all easy to get started with. The bottom line is that if you're even a little tech savvy, or have writing skills, the possibilities are endless. How to begin? Proofread Everywhere teaches you how to make money as a skilled proofreader. Learn how to transcribe audio and get paid digitally with Transcribe Anywhere. Learn how to conquer social media for small businesses with the Facebook Side Hustle course. Learn how to become a high-paid virtual assistant for $10,000. Bookkeepers get online training to become a bookkeeper and assist companies with accounting. Potential earnings, $5,000 a month in 12 months. 7/10 schedule. Potential for growth, 8/10, number 6. Rent your car. Renting out your car is one of the coolest new ways to generate passive income. You can rent out your car to someone if you don't use it too much, maybe because you're in school or working from home. In reality, I have a friend who bought 3 cars solely to rent through these services, and he pays off his loan and then some every month. These services allow you to rent your car on your own terms. You set the price and availability, so you don't have to worry if you want to drive it. They even take care of insurance. How to begin? Turo, one of the main websites for car rentals and one of the first. Getaround is a new rival that lets you rent a car as well. Maven is a car-sharing service that specializes in General Motors automobiles. Potential earnings, $600 a month. Timetable, 10 out of 10, potential for growth, 3/10, number 7. List your house. You can list your home, room, garage, or any other space you have where someone might stay in the same way you can list your car. I've also seen people advertise their backyards as potential camping spots. There are no limits on what you can do. You just need to put in a little effort to make your home or space inviting to potential guests, but anything else can be done online. Check out our side-by-side analysis of the top 2 firms, Airbnb and Booking.com. How to begin? Airbnb is the world's first and largest website for listing your room for rent. Booking.com is a large travel site with individual listings. Monthly income potential, $1,000, timetable, 6/10, potential for growth, 4/10. Number 8. Buy and resell stuff. This was one of my very first side hustles. I'd go to yard sales and estate sales, then sell the pieces on eBay or Amazon. Today, technology has advanced to the point that many people find this their full-time career. If you search for flippers on Instagram, you'll find a diverse group of people hustling and reselling products. Even better, go to Craigslist free stuff and look for free items to resell. Yes, it is true. How to begin? eBay is a great place to start. Amazon is a company that sells books. Monthly income potential, $1,000. Timetable, 10 out of 10, potential for growth, 5/10. Number 9. Create stuff to sell. You do not like scavenging for items to sell, but you do have the ability to create items to sell. If that's the case, you can start selling your own goods online. The possibilities for selling your own things are endless, from stationery and exclusive gifts to household objects, printables, and downloadables. How to begin? Shop for Etsy sellers. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. Potential earnings, $600 a month, timetable, 10 out of 10, potential for growth, 8/10, number 10. Help people move. You can quickly make money in your spare time if you have the opportunity to assist people with their relocation. Perhaps you have a truck or are sturdy enough to lift large pieces of furniture. People pay for relocation assistance all over the world, from moving their own homes to buying furniture to needing assistance getting it home. You won't gain as much if you're just the muscle, but if you have a truck, you can make a lot of money. How to begin? Dolly is a mobile app that links people who need assistance traveling. Monthly income potential, $300, timetable, 4/10, potential for growth, 3/10. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.